Okay, so here we are, our very first time with real food. They've seen Mom eat it. They've seen Mom eat it. But what are you guys gonna do with it? What do you do with it? Oh. There you go, Kelly. What do you think? What do you think? Here, Buzz. There you go, Buzz. What is it? What is it? Jill, you're funny. There. What's that? What is it? Oh, Kelly's got it figured out. Look at you go, Kelly. Oh. So does Buzz. Look at that. It doesn't take long when we're ready. Is it yummy? Is it super yummy? Good job. You can't eat the ball bean. No, you don't eat the ball bean. You got to eat what's inside the ball. Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's the good stuff. Bosley. Oh, buddy, you kill me. He's like, I'm just going to settle in here, get nice and comfortable, and wrap it up. And then there's Bean's technique. Stretch and conquer. Yeah. Kelly apparently has this whole thing down pat, like she's been doing it for years. Look at that. That's like a grown-up eating right there. Right? Yeah. What are you doing, Jill? Oh, I got it. I got this. I got this. Get you a little bit more traction, maybe. Uh-oh. What did I do? What did I do, Kelly? I messed with a good thing. There you go. Oh, no paws in the food. There's a good dog. Come on, Buzz. No paws in your food, huh? Be careful. Jill. No paws in the food, lovely. There's a good dog. I know. How do you get into it, huh? How do you get into it if you can't put your paws in it? Trust me. Everybody will be very thankful later on if you learn not to walk through your locker and all the trips around the house. I don't know if you guys were ready for this. I think maybe you might have kind of jumped them down. Old pros. Old pros. Stack like that in the showering, okay? You just hold your head up. You hold the food bowl up. How about that? That might work. That might work. Oh, Bean, are you sleeping on the job? There you go. get back in? How do you get back in? Huh? Oh, you don't need to run down with those pins. You're over here. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, that's a good job. Oh, blah, 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 blah. And here's my stack. Good girl. Trisha, you see that? That's for you, dear. Somebody can wear some ribbons around her neck someday. Aren't you, Bean? She's like, are you kidding? I have raw meat. Leave me alone. I understand. I understand. There's Jill. Short, short, short Jill. Oh, Jill, your head is bigger than the rest of you. Just like your daddy. Well, I think that we can call this first meal a success. What do you think? What do you think, Jill? What do you think? Is it good stuff? Will it do? Will it do? Oh my goodness, Kelly. I want to be a fat dog when I grow up. Boz is like, who needs to grow up? I'm already fat. And I love it. Seriously, Bosley? I gotta say, I adore your chill approach to eating. Oh, that's me back to duty. I'll be back.